Fosun Mengruo Household Furniture Corporation Limited, established in 2001, is a professional integrated mattress enterprise which engages in the design, research, development, production and marketing of different kinds of mattresses. Our main product is the spring mattress, like pocket spring mattress, Bonnet spring mattress and continuous spring mattress, etc. We have numbers of experienced designers and technicians. Introduced into latest technology and advanced facility equipment. Adopt strict quality controlling test and modern humanized management. With more than 1 decade of endeavor, we have been the main mattress supplier for many famous bedding brands at home and abroad. Our products have good sales and gain prestigious reputation worldwide. Opening up and innovating. Customer is the supreme. Quality is our top resource of vitality. Keep quality, keep survive. They have been accompanying the marching steps of Mengruo Mattress since the very beginning, and we will adhere to them continuously in the coming future. Benefiting people's health and environmental protection is our internal development theme and highest priority. We will be dedicated to offer customers with best quality and perfect service with our utmost. Welcome to Mengruo.